Hey everybody in YouTube land, I'm making chicken soup today. Got of water, because the water where I live, you don't want to drink the tap water. Or you don't want to cook with the tap water. Anyway, water, onion, chop in the onions. Okay, so everybody's heard of dump gardening, where you just dump everything in. Well, this is dump cooking. I got a chicken here. I'm dumping the chicken. So dump gardening is where you just have a bucket and you just dump all kinds of stuff in there and plant a plant on top. So now I'm dumping in the carrot. Now I'm dumping in the celery. Now I'm dumping in the potato. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little video about how to make chicken soup. Whenever I look in the camera, I just laugh because it's so funny. I hope you got a charge out of it. I'll see you next time. Be sure and subscribe and like and share and comment and ring the bell. And check out my other channel called Shelly's City Notifications. Bye. Mwah. Adios.